Welcome to WordPress Quick Fixes from WP-Tutoring. Today, giving your site a real front page instead of a blog feed. One setting, no plugin, about 2 minutes. Out of the box, WordPress shows your latest blog posts on the home page. Most business and portfolio sites want a proper front page instead, and that is one setting away. By default, the home page is simply a feed of your latest posts. Great for a blog, wrong for almost everything else. A static home page shows one page you choose, the same for every visitor, every time. It is a single setting under Settings and Reading. No plugin, no code. Let's see it on the screen. From the dashboard, head to Settings, then Reading. This screen controls what your home page displays. Right at the top, your home page displays. It is set to your latest posts, that is the blog feed we're about to replace. Choose a static page, and 2 drop-downs light up below. In the home page drop-down, pick the page you want visitors to land on. We'll use Sample Page. On your site, this is where your own home page goes. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Nothing takes effect until this click. If a setting ever seems ignored, check that you saved. Now visit the site the way a visitor does, and there it is. Your chosen page, front and center, instead of the blog feed. If you still want a blog, create a page called Blog and set it as the Posts page on that same screen. Let's recap the whole move. It was 2 clicks and a save. You switched the home page from the latest Posts feed to a static page under Settings and Reading. You picked the page in the home page drop-down and saved, and the live site changed instantly. Building the rest of the site, pages, menus, and layouts is what our complete WordPress training covers. Find all the full courses and training at the address on screen. The link is also in the description.